Your fast qualifier in the 96, sitting there in the middle on the inside, row 2. We'll see what he can do. As Justin Sellers is going to bring them around. Here they come. Green flag, and we're racing. And Trevor Robinson, that outside was faster so far. Trevor Robinson might say it's still going to be fast, as it's going to be. Trevor Robinson's going to try to pull away. His brother Johnny right behind him. What's it like to race with your brother? I think me and my brother would wreck each other out. He was my pit crew chief. Oh, John Featherston losing control, and Chad Smith hanging on for dear life. He just got a nice paint job. Don't wreck him on the first night. All is good. Chad Smith going to pull it off into the pits, having problems with that 82 machine tonight. As Trevor Robinson's trying to pull away, followed by Johnny Robinson, the battle for third. Garrick Fry on the inside of Sellers. The inside's tight tonight. Nice side-by-side racing there between Garrick Fry and Justin Sellers. Both drivers holding their line, looking very good. And John Featherston kind of hanging out in the back. Nice-looking car out there in that 47 as well. You can see they came around turn 4, and both Sellers and Fry look like they got a little sideways. Trevor Robinson not minding anything at all as he's got his dad's throwback. We're 5 laps into this 8-lap heat event. Brother Johnny sitting there watching. I wonder if Johnny thinks, wow, that's my dad's car in front of me. That looks cool. So we got 2 to go. We are single file racing. Garrick Fry said, I think I'll stay over here on the outside. That inside definitely tight tonight. Or today, I should say. Garrick Fry looked like he got a little loose on the front end there coming out of turn 2. White flag out, 1 to go. Garrick Fry, Justin Sellers making a little bit of contact there, coming out of 4. And it looks like it's going to be Trevor Robinson to take the checkered, followed by Johnny, followed by Justin. Garrick Fry for 4th, John Featherston for 5th. Chad Smith in that Cole Trickle-looking car not able to finish the race as he's had problems during qualifying and hot laps. Just something's not right with that car there. Let's just hope he gets it figured out and back out for the feature. He has a little time there, but wow. How awesome is that? Trevor Robinson doing the throwback from 1993. Trevor Robinson, the 2017 Area Sportsman NSTC track champion. So Trevor Robinson winning the 2017 Area Sportsman at National Short Track Championship, sponsored by All Ranch, Varney Painters, Arlo's Coca